Watching one Google advertisement, you can earn $1.80. Watching 10 Google advertisements, you can earn over $18. And regular people like you and me are withdrawing over $5, $10, and indeed over $20 per nanosecond watching Google advertisements. So like this videotape, let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this brand new website where you can watch Google website advertisements and earn money watching them. I'll reveal the name of this website in a nanosecond. But as you can see, then you can watch Google advertisements and get paid for watching them. This point has formally paid near to $3 million to its druggies, and they've over 4.7 star conditions out of 5 on Trustpilot from over 4,000 real druggies around the world. So you can trust this website. This Google advertisements website is available worldwide, so you can be from any part of the world and still earn money with it. But for our unborn videos, note down below your country name so that I can produce more applicable vids for you guys. Now, the name of this website is JumpTask, and the URL will be jumptask.io, so do not get confused. This is how the dashboard of JumpTask will look like. So you can see that on JumpTask, you can find simple ways to make money bags online, like taking checks, playing games, participating in your unused internet, testing different products, watching videos, and most importantly, watching advertisements or Google website advertisements. And now I'll be participating in a perk trick with you guys that is going to help you to earn 10 times more money than others on JumpTask. So stay tuned until the end. JumpTask is available worldwide, so you can be from any part of the world and you can still earn money with it. So you can see then that you can get paid on JumpTask not only for watching Google advertisements, but also for playing different games, participating your unused internet data, watching TikTok videos, watching YouTube videos, and much further. But for a moment, we want to earn money by watching Google advertisements. And for this, the first thing you need to do is to come to the home page of JumpTask and click where it says Start Making Money Now. You'll be taken to this runner, where you again need to click on this button where it says Start Earning Now, and you'll be shown different options to subscribe up to JumpTask. The stylish option is to directly subscribe up and log in using your Google Gmail account, but you can also choose to subscribe up with your Facebook account, Apple ID, or by directly connecting your crypto portmanteau to JumpTask. So once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. In your brand new account, you'll have no account balance, but if I show you my main account, you can see that I've formally earned over $27 in it within just 2 to 3 days. And now, I'll show you guys how you can make money like this with JumpTask. So to earn money watching Google advertisements, you need to come over to the Earn section from then. And on this runner, you'll find a ton of offers to complete and earn money online. But to earn money watching Google advertisements, I want you to scroll down on this. You'll find the All Tasks section, where you can find different simple and easy tasks to perform and earn money online. For illustration, if you watch this YouTube videotape, you'll earn many cents for that, and so on. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll find different Google website advertisements to click on and make money. And to earn money watching these Google website advertisements, all you have to do is to click on. That is going to show you the instructions to complete this Google website advertisements task. And after reading them, you need to check this box and click where it says take the offer. So as you can see, as per this task, we need to search for this keyword in the Cyber Surfer. So let's search for this in the Google Chrome Cyber Surfer or any other Cyber Surfer that you use. Next, we need to look for this website link. So let's just open this screenshot from there, and we will be shown the screenshot of the website that we need to look for. So let's just search for this website in the hunt results of Google. We may occasionally need to go to the alternate runner, third runner, or further runners of the Google hunt results. So as you can see, this is the point that we need to open as per the screenshot participated in the Google advertisements task. So let's open it from there, and we will be taken to the home page of that website. Now we need to scroll through the website for the coming 10 seconds. So let's scroll up and down on this website for the coming 10 seconds. After that, you can close this website and come back to the jump task again. But as you can see, it might take you up to 7 days to get credited for the task completed by you. So if you complete some tasks and you do not get credited incontinently, just stay for 7 days for it to credit the quantum to your account. Now then, you can earn anywhere from a many cents per Google announcement you watch up to 1 bone and 80 cents per Google announcement. But these high-paying offers are available to you once you formally start earning some good quantum of plutocracy on jump tasks. In a moment, I'll be showing you a perk trick to 10 times your earning on jump tasks. But before we move further, do you find it hard to manually cut out the product's background? Do you feel like manually removing the background from product images can be a tedious and time-consuming task, frequently taking precious software and advanced editing skills? If yes, also moment, I have a great result for you. Manually removing the background can be a grueling and time-consuming process for individualities and small businesses dealing with a ton of products. Because if the background isn't duly removed, the product will look veritably low quality, affecting its brand value and ultimately affecting the deals of the product. Also, hiring a graphic developer for advertising can be precious and time-consuming. But do not worry, because for a moment, I'm going to show you how you can use Kittle as a stylish result to your problem. Kittle is the stylish free AI tool that provides a variety of advanced AI tools like the AI Vector Creator, AI Image Creator, and most importantly, the AI Background Way, icing your product to look polished and professional. Their easy-to-use platform provides you with advanced AI tools to indeed produce your AI background with just simple advice. I'll leave a link to Kittle in the description of this videotape and the projected comment. You can use that link to register yourself on Kittle for free. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, all you have to do is to hang your mouse on the Tools section from then and select the AI background from there. That is going to take you to this runner where you just need to click on this button, Start Removing Backgrounds, and you'll be taken to Kittle's AI Background Way tool. Then, with Kittle's AI Background Way, you can efficiently remove background and abolish specific corridors of an image with the eraser tool in seconds. So first of all, I want you to upload your product image by pressing the upload icon from the left wing. Just click on this green upload button and upload your product image from your device. Let's say your product is this milk glass bottle. All you have to do is to click on it, and your product will be pasted on your oil. Now, to remove the background from your product's image, you just need to click on your product. Also, you can elect the eraser tool from these options, and your eraser tool will be named Photo. Now you can hold the left click on your mouse for removing any part of the background from turn to the image or to remove the whole background. And once you're done erasing the background, you can click on the Done button from there. Another way to remove the background fully is to use Kittle's AI background. So just click on your product's image formally again and click on the AI Background Way. Point from there. And Kittle's AI background will remove all the background from your product's image. Now you can use it in different juggernauts for creating different banners, advertisements, and images, etc. Not only that, you can also come over to Kittle's AI Background Creator tool. I'll also leave a link to this tool in the description of this videotape and the projected comment. You can click on that link to come over to this runner where you can induce the background for your product's image. So first of all, you just need to upload your product's image from them. And as you can see, the Kittle's advanced, I'll automatically decry if your image has any backgrounds, and it'll remove the background automatically. Now, to induce the background, you can just elect one of these preset bones from there. So for illustration, if you like some of the backgrounds from there, you can just select it to induce the analogous background for your product's image. Let's say we elect this warm plant from there. All we have to do is to click on the Induced Background button, and the Kittle's, I'll start generating the background for your image, which you can find under your images right then. It'll take many seconds, so let's stay for it. As you can see, our image with a new background is ready, which is looking really stupendous. Just like this, you can choose any preset from there, and you can produce an analogous background for your product's image. Or you can just click on the prompt option from there, and you can write your advice in this box to produce an AI background for your image. So for illustration, I can write a brown rustic background in this box, and in the following box, you can also write the effects that you do not want in your AI generated background. But for now, let's just click on the Induce Background button from there, and Kittle's advanced, I'll again start generating the new AI background for our product's image. As you can see, the new rustic brown background is ready with our product's image on it, which is looking really amazing. So just like this, you can remove the background from your product's image, ensigns, or any other image. And you can also produce backgrounds for your image with just one click of a button. And Kittle has a ton of free templates, design, sources, tons of free rudiments, images, and AI features like the AI Background Way, AI Image Upscale, etc. that you can use to make your product's image or totem indeed more. So formally again, I'll leave a link to Kittle in the description of this videotape and the projected comment. You can use that link to try Kittle for free. Now coming back to our main videotape, to earn 10 times further plutocracy than others on Jump Task, What you can do is to install a free VPN extension on your cybersurfer or on your mobile device, spark the VPN, and connect it to the United States. Then create a completely new JumpTask account on your browser. This will help you to get the United States offer to complete and get paid more money, fast and easy. You will get high-paying Google website ads to watch and to earn more money online. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.